Hey y'all, this is Lady T ZCD coming back at you with a video. Lady T ZCD. Now in this video, you guys, I'm just going to show you what I am packing for my upcoming trip. I told you guys in the previous video that we was going to go and celebrate my 35th anniversary, which was yesterday on Mother's Day, which was a blast to celebrate with Mother's Day and my anniversary together. So we will be leaving tomorrow, going on a little 5-day trip to the beach. And this is what 5 days look like for me as far as packing is concerned. And yes, I am an overpacker. I do overpack. I like to have options, you guys. I like to have different outfits that I can choose from just in case I don't like the outfit I originally selected to wear. I have another option to choose from because I don't know. I might eat something and then next thing you know, I'm uncomfortable in the waist. I need to have something that's going to be loose and comfortable. Got to make sure I have several outfits for that particular incident if it happens. So that's what you see here. I am not a minimalist when it comes to packing when I go out of town. So that's what you have right now in front of you. And let me jump in and let me show you guys what I decided to bring. Okay, on the right of me, this is a dress that I've had for years, y'all. This red dress is real comfortable, flowy, sheer, blowing in the wind dress, cute, nice and comfortable, elastic in the waist. I don't have to worry about a meal. I can enjoy a meal and still be cute. Nice little keyhole ring here, nice and breezy. And the sleeves has a little split on the side, inside like that. Really, really nice. Next dress by it is a nice, as you can see, lime green dress. Really cute. Love this beautiful gold belt that goes with it. It does have elastic in the waist. I haven't worn this but one time, and so I'm pretty sure I can still get it. I know I can. I wore it to my son's, this is how long it's been, my son's graduation reception dinner. I haven't worn it since, but of course, you know, I can still wear it and I'm going to take it with me. Beautiful. Either one of these dresses can be worn at night or during the day. Okay. Next to it is a kimono I picked up from Ross. I think I showed y'all in the haul that cute kimono. Very nice. Love how it's made at the end of it. And I love the lace on the back of it. And again, you can wear this with jean shorts. I have my jean shorts to wear with it. Or I can also wear it with these white blue jean shorts that I got from Cato's. Not shorts, I'm sorry. Jeans. They come almost down these little shingling, what you call these little ruffles or detail distress or whatever you want to call it. It comes all the way down to my ankle. And I can wear it with this if I wanted to with a tank top. Now I'm taking plenty of tank tops so I can switch out. No problem with that. But underneath it is another kimono that I got from Cato's. I'm taking. It's nice, cute, long, as you can see the colors in it. I can wear it with these jeans or a black tank top underneath or white. So what I'm doing is making sure I have things I can mix and match with. Even though it's a couple of more items that, you know, the norm would take. But yeah, you have to have options, y'all. I do. Okay, this particular little set here, this little outfit here, I think I showed y'all in the haul. These are those long, wide-legged, bell-bottom, layered pants. They tie up in the waist. Cute. In the front. And I have this little cute crisscross in the back. Short sleeve. Love this airy, breezy top to wear with it. And yes, I'm going to take that along with it. Next to it is a outfit I got from Tarjay. I know y'all seen this print all over YouTube. But I have a long sleeve. I got the long sleeve blouse. I can wear it open or with a tank top. The shorts. And I do have the pants. I'm thinking about taking all three just to make sure I have options. Next to it, I have the white. I'm talking about white. I'm hearing my husband coming in. It's distracting me. And the alarm and all that. You know, these houses be talking to you when the door is open. But anyway, I have the yellow pantsuit short set that I got from Rainbow. Cute little yellow tank to go underneath. The jacket is a cuff on the sleeves here, and I thought that was really cute to wear at night. If it gets a little bit cool and breezy by the water, I have that outfit to wear. And I do have some sandals and a little yellow heel I can wear with that. This option here is that orange wrap skirt that's at Target. Yeah, I might have seen it in some other hauls. It's orange. Got the little knot at the waist here. And then I have the tank top to match it. Okay, next, like again, I may not wear everything, but I will have them with me to make sure that if I want to wear them, I can. Right here next to this is next to that orange outfit, we have a romper. This romper was thrifted a couple of years back. I took it out the cleaner's bag. It been hanging up in the closet for a good 2 summers. I haven't worn it. And I tried it on. Of course, it's really, really cute on. It ties up in the waist, nice and breezy and airy. It's been dry cleaned and it's ready to go. I love the print. Next, underneath here is that red and white dress I got from Target with the pockets. Love that print. I have some red sandals to wear with that. Underneath, I'm taking all the dresses. This nice little short dress. Now, most of these two are short. They come to my, just below my knee. This is a nice Ross find. I didn't have a belt. It did not come with a belt, but I'm not worried about the belt. I always wear that gold belt over there, or I could take another belt. Well, I don't have to wear a belt, period. I ain't worrying about a belt. But this is cute. Crisscross at the top of the neck here, nice and breezy. I love the sleeves, easy to put on and off. Next is a long dress cotton, breathable, with the split on the leg, and I think the split on the thigh. And it comes up just to maybe above my knee. Really nice. And love it. Very nice, soft material. Love this tie right here and elastic in the back. We'll be taking that. Also over here on the end, I picked this up the other day, Target. Love this crinkle. I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's nice and soft, breathable dress. It's so cute with the little spaghetti sleeves and the square cut neckline. Love it. Short sleeve. I can wear it without this little duster, or I can wear it with the duster. And I also have a short sleeve, not short, but a crop top blue jean jacket that I'm going to take for all the dresses, just in case it get cool at night. Right here next to it, I picked up a brand new beach bag. It was only $7 or $8 at Walmart. Picked that up. Nice to have a clean one to take. I don't know what my other traveling bags, beach bag, but I always get me a brand new beach bag when I go out of town. Next to it is a little short set, or something I put together as a set. These are some black Bermuda shorts. I love these dressy buttons here, gold buttons, and then this is a polka dot, I would say peplum, type of sheer top. And I'm going to wear these two together with some black sandals. Okay, moving right along. Above the black polka dot, you see outfit, you will see a wrap. I think I showed that to you guys. That's Old Navy wrap blouse, blue jean shorts that I can definitely mix and match with these graphic tees. I only have 2 graphic tees that I'm taking. So yeah, just casual walking the beach, walking the boardwalk or whatever. Those two, or that summer wrap top right there can go with it. We moving right along. Right here, we have the black tank top. Oh, this is my airport outfit. I always wear black when I go, you know, on my trips to the airport. I will wear some black leggings, a black tank top, and I will probably put a duster on over it. Yeah. So that's my traditional go-to, you know, outfit to wear comfortably with some sneaks or some sandals. Just depends. I don't know yet, because you got to take your shoes off and all that. And I'm, you know, so I just kind of want to make sure I'm ready to be, you know, pat down or whatever they have you going through all this, you know, all these changes. So I got to make sure I'm comfortable, nice and breezy and comfortable, and then the flight as well. Okay. Then I bought this nice little hat to put on. It goes with my swimsuits. My swimsuits are upstairs. I think I showed you guys in the haul the 2 swimsuits I'm taking. And it's like a little brim type of hat. It's not going to cover, because I'm thinking about wearing my hair up in a puff or a ponytail or whatever. And so I need something that's going to be open to that. Okay. That's that blouse. Underneath that, I have a slip, just in case I need a slip. I don't know. You just never know. Ain't about that see-through life. So, and all my clothes. So I just picked this up just in case I needed it. And definitely these little biker shorts type of slip shorts that you can wear underneath your dresses. The ones that are real sheer. You can still wear these shorts. And I got these from Walmart. I'm going to try them out. And you can wear these shorts and not have to worry about, you know, showing everything. Because it may be too hot to wear this slip, but I'm going to be ready either way. That's it, you guys. I have some other stuff upstairs. My shoes. Maybe I show that in another haul. Another video. Couple of sandals. The sandals are just, the shoes are not going to be as much as the outfits. As many pairs of outfits that it is on the bed. It's just a couple of shoes that I can mix and match with. And my accessories and my little, you know, my hats. That's going to be it. I'm ready to go. Thank y'all for watching. I'm about to put everything in a suitcase, pack it up, roll it up. Now I feel comfortable with taking everything that I have on the bed. Easy breezy, one chaotic, one crazy, because normally my room be towed up when I'm trying to pack. So it wasn't a chaotic situation. Everything was already hanging up. I got the hangers put back. I take the hangers off this dress and put them back and be ready to put them back on, the garments back on the hanger when I get back, if they don't need cleaning or washing or what have you. But the necessities I'm going to take as far as the shoes would be sandals and a pair of tennis shoes. That's going to be in some water shoes. That's it for me. And I will be taking pictures and showing you guys the outfits of the days, what I decided to wear, and all that. So thank you guys for watching. Please be looking out for those videos. And I'm getting ready to jump off. I am tired. Y'all know how it is the day before you get ready to go on a trip anywhere. You broke down pretty much. And with that being said, let me wrap it up. Lady TZCD talking to you again in another video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment. Tell me what y'all think of the outfits I'm taking, because the girl will be sharp as usual. All right. Talk to y'all in another video. Comment below. And if you have not subscribed, come on in and do that. I appreciate it. If you've been watching me all this time and holding me down, thank you. I appreciate it as well. Talk to y'all in the next video. Goodbye.